你们好. Today let's review some of the words we have already learned before. 好，那我们先看这个词，请跟我说。Let's look at the first one. Repeat after me. 起床 get up. 早饭 breakfast. 晚饭 dinner. 午饭中饭 lunch. 洗澡 shower take a shower, take a bath. 教室 classroom. 上网 surf internet. 发音 pronunciation. Now, let's go back. Now I'm going to say some sentences. Can you repeat after me and also ask yourself, what did she just say? Let's start from this one. 起床我早上6点起床我早上6点起床 So I get up at 6 o'clock. 早饭你早上几点吃早饭？你早上几点吃早饭？ So what time do you take your breakfast? 晚饭你晚上几点吃晚饭？ So what time do you eat your dinner? 午饭中饭你午饭吃什么？你午饭吃什么？ What do you eat for your lunch? 洗澡洗澡我早上8点洗澡 So I take a shower at 8 o'clock in the morning. 我早上8点洗澡教室我在教室学中文我在教室学中文 What did I just say? I study Chinese at the classroom. 上网我去图书馆上网我去图书馆上网 I go to the library to surf internet. 发音你的中文发音很好你的中文发音很好 So what should you say? 哪里哪里 So I just said your Chinese pronunciation is very good. Okay. 好 Now, today we're going to see a new grammar, which is very useful, especially for the time being. I'm sure at home you're all multitasking. You're helping mom and dad, with a lot of household stuff. So you have to do several things simultaneously. Okay. So how should we say that in Chinese? Look at this guy. What is he doing? 他喜欢一边洗澡一边打电话 So 一边 we can use 一边 to connect two verbs 洗澡打电话 So this sentence basically is saying this guy is doing two things at the same time 洗澡 and 打电话好那看这两个人 Look at these two guys What did they do last night? Although now you're not supposed to do it with your friends, at least for right now, for the following several weeks. But what did they do? 昨天晚上 他们昨天晚上一边喝酒一边聊天。喝酒 and 聊天 drinking, chatting. Now let's review some verb-object phrases that we have learned in the past. 我们以前学过的一些词。好， I will give you a little time to go over this and see whether you still remember them. 哦，对不起。You can pause and ask yourself, what does this word mean? What about this one? And then come back to the video. 好，吃饭，玩手机 play with phone, or play with your phone, play with the phone. 看书 reading. 听音乐 listen to the music. 打球 play ball. 聊天儿 chat. 看电影 watch a movie. 喝可乐 drink Coke. Okay, now can you pick up two verb-object phrases here and describe two things you do at the same time? Let's look at the first two. 我一边吃饭一边玩手机. I know a lot of you are doing that, but I'm telling you that's not a good habit to have. 好, so what does that mean? 我一边吃饭一边玩手机. So you're doing two things together. Those two things are, oh, what happened? 对不起. Eating and playing with your phone. Now, let's try another pair. 我一边看书一边听音乐. So now you're doing two things together, which are reading and listen to the music. This is pretty enjoyable. I highly recommend you to do it. I'm sure some of you have already been doing it. Okay. Now, you can use the rest of the words here to practice this new grammar. Enjoy!